Indoor-outdoor living seamlessly blend your home with nature in modern courtyard designs. Introduction: the essence of indoor-outdoor living. Welcome to ByGestD, where we explore innovative architecture and interior design ideas that elevate your living spaces. Today, we are diving into the concept of indoor-outdoor living, specifically focusing on how modern courtyard designs can create a seamless transition between your home and nature. This design philosophy encourages a harmonious relationship with the outdoors, enhancing not only the aesthetic appeal of your home but also your overall quality of life. As we explore the principles, elements, and benefits of integrating indoor and outdoor spaces, we invite you to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. The philosophy of indoor-outdoor living. At the heart of indoor-outdoor living is the philosophy of blurring boundaries. This design concept is rooted in the belief that our living spaces should not be confined to four walls but should extend into the natural world surrounding us. By creating an inviting atmosphere that connects interiors with exteriors, we can enjoy the benefits of fresh air, natural light, and beautiful landscapes. Modern courtyard designs play a crucial role in achieving this connection, providing a dedicated space that encourages interaction with nature. This lifestyle fosters well-being, promoting a sense of Key elements of modern courtyard design. Modern courtyard designs incorporate several key elements that facilitate a seamless blend between indoor and outdoor spaces. First and foremost, natural light is a fundamental aspect of these designs. Large windows and sliding glass doors help create visual connections and allow sunlight to pour into living areas, enhancing the ambience and making spaces feel more expansive. Additionally, the use of natural materials such as stone, wood, and metal is prevalent, grounding the design in its environment and providing a cohesive aesthetic. The role of layout in indoor-outdoor integration. The layout of a modern courtyard plays a significant role in its effectiveness as an indoor-outdoor space. Thoughtful design ensures that various zones are created for different activities, such as relaxation, dining, and gardening. For example, a spacious patio area can serve as an outdoor living room, complete with comfortable seating and a fire pit for gatherings. Meanwhile, a dining space may be positioned adjacent to the kitchen, facilitating easy access for meals and entertaining. The integration of pathways connecting these areas not only enhances landscaping strategies for seamless transition. Effective landscaping is essential for creating a cohesive indoor-outdoor living experience. Using native plants that thrive in the local climate can reduce maintenance and promote biodiversity, contributing to a sustainable environment. Additionally, layering plants with varying heights, textures, and colors can create visual interest and help frame the courtyard. Consider incorporating hardscaping elements such as stone paths, wooden decks, or gravel areas to complement the natural landscape. These features can serve as a bridge between indoor space. Water features, adding tranquility and life. Incorporating water features into modern courtyard designs can enhance the indoor-outdoor experience by adding a soothing element that attracts both humans and wildlife. Fountains, ponds, or small waterfalls not only create a peaceful ambience but also contribute to the overall sensory experience of the space. The sound of flowing water can promote relaxation and serve as a natural backdrop for outdoor gatherings. Furthermore, carefully placed water features can help improve microclimates, providing a cooling effect on warm days and encouraging biodiversity by outdoor living spaces, extending the home. Outdoor living spaces are a vital component of indoor-outdoor living. Modern courtyards should be equipped with comfortable furniture, outdoor kitchens, and dining areas to create a functional extension of the home. By incorporating elements such as fire pits, barbecues, and shaded seating, you can create a versatile area that accommodates various activities and gatherings. The goal is to ensure that your courtyard feels like an integral part of your home, allowing you to enjoy it year-round. By making outdoor spaces just as inviting as indoor ones, you enhance your overall living experience and encourage a Sustainability in modern courtyard design. Sustainability is a crucial consideration in modern courtyard designs, promoting eco-friendly practices that benefit both residents and the environment. Utilizing sustainable materials, such as reclaimed wood or locally sourced stone, can reduce the environmental impact of construction. Additionally, implementing rainwater harvesting systems or permeable paving can help manage water efficiently, contributing to a healthier ecosystem. Designing courtyards with a focus on biodiversity, such as planting native species. The psychological benefits of nature integration. Integrating nature into your living spaces offers numerous psychological benefits. Studies have shown that exposure to natural environments can reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall well-being. By creating an indoor-outdoor living experience, you provide yourself with opportunities to engage with nature regularly, whether through gardening, dining al fresco, or simply enjoying the sights and sounds of the outdoors. Courtyards serve as a peaceful retreat, allowing for moments of reflection and relaxation away from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Conclusion: embrace indoor-outdoor living. In conclusion, embracing indoor-outdoor living through modern courtyard designs allows for a seamless blend of home and nature, enhancing both aesthetics and quality of life. By focusing on key elements such as layout, landscaping, water features, and sustainable practices, you can create a space that invites the outdoors in and encourages a lifestyle connected to the natural world. We hope this exploration has inspired you to consider the possibilities of indoor-outdoor living in your own home. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see